Hi guys, welcome back to our channel, Budgeting and Savings with B. I'm Vonda Shourn, and on today's episode, we are going to be talking about how to save money as a high school student. Are you ready? Because it's back to school time. I just want to talk to you guys about some good information. If you see that piece of paper flying, that is my notes. I don't know why it wants to fly, but we're going to fly with it. Are you ready? Number one, this is for my back to school students. All of a sudden now the paper just don't want to cooperate. Create a budget, because this will help you, although you think it may not. Create a budget while you're in high school. That way you will know exactly what you're doing. And also, I wish I would have did this when I was in high school. Create a budget, because once you get older, because you will, and get out of high school, get into college, and get out of college, and become a young adult, you will have to manage your money. You do not want your money managing you. And let me tell you that if you don't get a hold of it, it will just go, and you'll be like, what the hell did my money go on? So if you develop and fine-tune these habits now, you will have a good hold on it and a good grasp of money. I wish someone would have set me down and talked to me when I was your age, because I would be much better off. I'm good now, but it took some years of practice. Okay, so make a budget. Number two, once you make the budget, establish a goal, whether that's to save money to go to college, whether that's to just say skip college, I'm just gonna go get my own place and chill and work. Or do you want to go on a trip? Are you gonna celebrate, your graduation, and that summer you're gonna go on a trip to Jamaica, Cancun, Dubai, Turkey, wherever you may want to go? Are you gonna do that? So number three, set up a checking and savings account. This is definitely crucial, because this will teach you early how to manage money, how to write it down, and how to be responsible. Let me add a little tally mark, a little whatever mark. Also, download you an app so that can help you manage your money, so that you can see, what percentage you are doing more eating out, spending on clothes, gaming, eating, all that kind of stuff. Okay, automate your savings. Let me tell you something. Okay, take it from me. I'm probably 20 years older than you. You ain't finna put, and that is terrible English. You are not about to, once you get paid, oh yes, let me happily transfer a couple $100 in my savings. You're not about to do that. Automate your savings is what I'm trying to say. That way you will not see it and you will not miss it. But while you're still in high school, you can start with very small amounts, because those small amounts you will not miss. So i.e. $25 or $50. Start with those small, because by the time you graduate, you will have some money saved. Okay, don't try to do no big numbers. We're not there. You're small baby steps. When you learn how to walk, you didn't take off running. You did a few little steps here and there. Get a credit card. Wait. With restrictions, with limitations for a high school student. Don't you be going out here getting no Amex Black card with an unlimited amount, because you are going to be at Shein and all the rest of them stores spending it up. Get a part-time job. Without the job, you would not be able to do any of this except for, asking mom and dad. But it would behoove you and be in your best interest if you got a part-time job. That way you can see what your income can afford. Not mom and daddy's, yours. Because then you might see, hey, I can't afford Dove body wash like I thought I could. It's just too high. I can't afford it. I might have to use Ivory or Irish Spring. So you all need to see how money really works, how far it don't go, all of that good stuff. Okay? Set aside an emergency fund. I did not hear about an emergency fund until I was here on YouTube, and that was probably about 10 years ago. That's really sad. So guys, while you're still in high school, set aside an emergency fund. Okay? Take advantage of student discounts. Like, this is the best time. This time and when you're a senior citizen. So that is a huge gap. So let everybody know when you go somewhere. Definitely Google it before you get there, you know, to see if they have a student discount, because a lot of retail stores and other stores have discounts for students because they understand that you're just not rich yet. Keyword was yet. So you are definitely on your way. Okay? Shop discount stores. Okay? If you are working part-time, you know, and you don't have any experience, don't be trying to go down to the Galleria or some fancy store. You can shop at discount stores until you get, you know, to where you need to be. And then once you shop there and see how far or how short your paycheck is, you will not ask mom and dad for no Air Jordans, no Balenciagas, no Issey Miyagas, none of that, because it will probably consume your entire month paycheck for a pair of Air Jordans. Okay? Avoid impulse shopping. I truly believe that once you get a hold to shopping and curb your urges, because those urges are never gonna go away. But if you learn how to take some deep breaths, apply the 24-hour rule, which is you see something, you leave it, and then you go home and think about it for 24 hours, the urge usually is going away. The urge is usually going away. You'll realize that you didn't want it. Also, you can also put the item in your cart online and leave it. You can also put it in your cart in the store and just walk around with it in your store, you know. But it gives you the same adrenaline feeling. So definitely try your best to get the urges under control, because I'm telling you, as you get to become an adult out of high school and you are grown and you're making a grown paycheck, man, those urges are worse. But then you also have more responsibilities too, and you can't spend all your money on what you want and then don't pay your rent. That's all I have for you today, guys. Make sure you thumbs up this video, leave me a comment, subscribe, and share this video with your friends and family. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.